How to fix perfect Instagram profile picture size. So if you want to add your profile picture with the perfect size on Instagram, then first of all you have to open up your gallery or your photos application, and after opening, now you can simply choose a photo that you would like to add to your profile, that you would like to add as the profile photo. And now you can simply tap on edit, and after tapping on edit you can go for crop. And from here, so let me remind you something, that Instagram needs a picture which is in a square shape, not with a rectangle shape. So you have to make your photo in a square shape. So for example, I'll be choosing square, and here you can simply drag and adjust the size, and after that you can simply tap on save copy, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after saving, now you can go back and open up your Instagram and go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for edit profile, and here tap on edit picture, and now tap on your profile and then go for new profile picture, and here you will have this square shaped photo that you have just cropped, right? You can see that now it perfectly fits to your Instagram profile picture. And after that you can simply tap on next, which is on the upper right side, and then again tap on next, and then tap on the tick, which is on the upper right. That's it. Now you can reload your Instagram, and here you will have your profile picture. So that's it. That's how you create a perfect Instagram profile picture. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.